This real estate advantage property video is presented by Genevieve Johnson. This stunning home lives larger than it appears with its contemporary open floor plan and sprawling outdoor living space. The brick patio and timber frame accents add character and curb appeal. The primary suite features updated spa-like full bathroom and walk-in closet. 4 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms provide ample space to host family and friends. Located within the desirable Bemus Point School District, and just a short walk to the lake, a quick bike ride to the village. The home has been meticulously maintained, with numerous updates, including bright and airy kitchen granite countertops, hardwood floors and walk-in pantry. Sliding glass door leads to the elevated and awning-covered back deck. The bathrooms have been modernized, and the 5th bedroom or family room offers direct access to the 32-feet heater inground pool. A convenient attached 2-car garage completes this magnificent property, and the professionally landscaped yard enhances its